The Congress has demanded dismissal of the ruling BJP government and fresh elections in Haryana as the BJP has lost simple majority after 3 independent MLAs withdrew support from the government. Adding to the problems for the ruling party, JJP leader Dushyant Chautala declared that his party would oppose the BJP government if it came to a no confidence motion. As per the current strength of the House, majority mark is 45. The ruling BJP currently has 40 members and there are 3 MLAs withdrawing their support. Its number has fallen to The BJP has the support of 2 independents besides the support of the Haryana Lok Hit Party MLA Gopal Kanda. The principal opposition Congress currently has 30 MLAs while INLD has 1 member and the BJP's former ally JJP has 10 MLAs. The recent vote of confidence is expected to protect the BJP for the next 6 months at least. Let's listen in to the former Haryana Home Minister Anil Vij's reaction on this crisis.
3 विधायकों का कांग्रेस को समर्थन देने का दुख है, परंतु हुड्डा साहब की ख्वाहिश कभी पूरी नहीं हो सकती। अभी कई तीर हैं हमारे तरकश में और हमारी सरकार को ट्रिपल इंजन सरकार है। हमारी सरकार 3 इंजन इसकी देखभाल कर रहे हैं। हमारे नायब सैनी जी हैं, मनोहर लाल खट्टर जी हैं, नरेंद्र मोदी जी हैं, जो पल पल की जानकारी रखते हैं और उसका इलाज भी जानते हैं।
लोकसभा चुनाव को लेकर कैसे देखते हैं?
देखिए, लोकसभा चुनाव अपने चरम पर है। लोगों ने मन बना रखा है, बड़ी बेताबी से 25 तारीख का इंतजार कर रहे हैं। लोग नरेंद्र मोदी जी को तीसरी बार प्रधानमंत्री देखना चाहते हैं, क्योंकि जो हिंदुस्तान के सपने हैं उनको पूरा करने का जो रोड मैप है वो केवल मोदी जी के पास है, किसी और पार्टी के पास नहीं है। और बाकी तो ये जो ईडी गठबंधन है, ये बिना इंजन की गाड़ी है, ये वहीं सेंटिंग करती रहती है, ये जा नहीं सकती, चल नहीं सकती, ये वहीं की वहीं खड़ी है और ये वहीं खड़ी रहेगी। भाजपा की गाड़ी नरेंद्र मोदी जी के जिसके सरताज हैं वो आगे बढ़ेगी और सफलता प्राप्त करेगी।
Vipin Parmar on the telecast with me. Vipin, what is the status right now? BJP is now in a minority. How long can it sustain being in power in Haryana?
The BJP leaders are concerned and the top leadership of BJP is concerned. They are clearly confident that they have that a number in their hand to declare majority in assembly. But as far as the technical issues are concerned, they have gone the confidence. They have gone for this no confidence voting in recent March 12th of this particular year, in which Naib Seni government they got the confidence and the numbers. As far as these 3 MLAs, 3 independent MLAs are concerned, they have now given support to the Congress, but earlier when it was Congress, who brought in this particular no confidence motion against the government, these 3 MLAs supported BJP during that particular voting process. So now, still the statements are coming in from the opposition side, whether it's Congress, whether it's JJP, but no leader, as of now had asked for the timing from the governor's side. But this fact is known to all these parties as well as the leaders of opposition parties that it's clearly they know that 6 months time is there with the government and till September 2024, and the next assembly elections are scheduled for October 2024. So as far as this particular issue is concerned, statements are coming, but no opposition leader or
Yeah,
any.
but how does
from the
this
party-
work? Because if the government is in minority, if there are less than 45 number of MLAs that are supporting the BJP, how does it justify its majority to form government?
Well, as far as the BJP is concerned, they were having, because right now the number which Haryana Assembly is having, that is 88. It consists 90 members, but two of the MLAs, whether it's former Chief Minister Manohar Lal or the candidate for Lok Sabha Hisar, Ranjit Singh, who was also an independent candidate from his, Rania seat. He had he had joined BJP. BJP had fielded him from Hisar seat. So those two seats are vacant. On one seat, for Karnal Assembly, Naib Singh Saini, who is the present Chief Minister of the state, he is contesting the election. But as far as the numbers are concerned, BJP clearly stating that they have the number in their hand. Also, Manohar Lal, who is the former Chief Minister of the state, he clearly trashed Congress with the statement that, there are multiple leaders from the Congress party side. They have 30 number, but, when it comes to no confidence motion, no MLA, there are MLAs who will be voting against the Congress and they'll be supporting BJP. But as far as the numbers are concerned, right now BJP has 40 members and also they have support of two independent MLAs, also one MLA from the HLP, Haryana Lok Hit Party. So they have the number of 43 currently. Also, there are multiple JJP MLAs. JJP has the number of 10 in Haryana Assembly, but as far as the JJP is concerned, after the BJP and JJP, decided to parted their ways, from alliance government, there were, 5 to 6 MLAs who were willing to join BJP, and now this is the high time as, 3 of the JJP MLAs have already joined Congress, and there are people like Devendra Babli, who was the Panchayat Minister in Haryana Manohar Lal government. He is very close to BJP people, and he had also already called for a meeting on 11th of this particular May. So he'll be deciding his further strategy, and what we are learning from the sources side that he might join BJP in coming days. So the numbers. Yeah.
Numbers seem to be stacking up in favor of the BJP, but it remains to be seen if the government still can be secured by the BJP in Haryana.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.